Hello friend, myself Mohammad Shakil from Eklavya Adivasi School, Vaigaon Gond district, Wardha. Now friend, today we are going to study the compound containing carbon-oxygen double bond. Generally friend, these compounds are very important and name of this compound is aldehyde and ketone. Now friend, naturally occurring carbonyl compounds are present in nucleic acid, carbohydrates, protein in plants and animal. They play a very important role in biochemical process to sustain the life. Generally friend, they are very important source of fragrance and flavor. Due to this reason, they are utilized in different pharmaceutical companies. They are utilized in different types of perfume industries. Now friend, let's see some example of some carbonyl compounds which are utilized in different types of industries. For example friend, the compound vanillin, it is vanilla in flavor which is utilized in food and perfume industries. Acetophenone whose flavor is pistachio, it is utilized in ice cream. The trans-cinnamaldehyde which is cinnamon in flavor, it is utilized for the preparation of candy, for the preparation of drugs, for the preparation of spices. Similarly friend, butane 2,3-dione which is buttery flavor, it is utilized for the production of popcorn. Now friend, let's see some common natural substances in which carbonyl compounds are present. That is almonds, camphor, sex hormones and vitamin K, etc. Now friend, let's see detail in their structure. Now friend, let's see their structure of carbonyl compound. Structure of carbonyl compound. Now friend, as we know that in carbonyl compound there is a presence of carbon oxygen double bond. See here, C double bond O. Now friend, in case of carbon of carbonyl is undergoes sp2 type of hybridization, and in case of these there is a presence of 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond, and the bond angle is 120 degree. The bond angle is 120 degree. Now friend, this is the structure of carbonyl compound. Now let's see friend, next and very important. अब हम लोग साइमल्टेनियसली वन बाय वन अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन की ओर चलते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी. नाउ फ्रेंड, इन केस ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन, द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्डिहाइड इज आर सी double bond O H, while the formula of ketone is R C double bond O single bond R. Now friend, when we minutely observe on the structure of aldehyde and ketone, that is on the general formula of aldehyde and ketone, then it is seen that there is a presence of a CO group. Presence of CO group. This CO group is called as the carbonyl group. Due to this reason, aldehyde and ketone is referred as carbonyl compound. Okay, now friend, let's see in detail what is mean by aldehyde. Now friend, in case of aldehyde, now First, see their definition. Aldehyde are the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. And the general formula of aldehyde is R single bond C double bond O single bond H. And the functional group of aldehyde is single bond C double bond O single bond H. This functional group is called as the formyl functional group. Now friend, this is also called as the aldehydic functional group. Let's see their classification. Now classification. Now friend, in case of aldehyde, it is broadly classified into two types. Number one is the aliphatic aldehyde and second is the aromatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde and second is the aromatic aldehyde. Now friend, in case of the aliphatic aldehyde, the carbon atom is directly attached to the sp3 type of carbon atom, means saturated carbon atom, and the best example is H3C single bond C double bond O single bond H. This is called as the acetaldehyde. This is the example of aliphatic aldehyde. Let's see the aromatic aldehyde. Now friend, in case of the aromatic aldehyde, the formyl functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Now friend, when CHO group is directly attached to the benzene ring, then the name of this compound is benzaldehyde. CHO. It is called as the benzaldehyde. But if formyl group is attached to the cyclic compound, then first we write the name of cyclic alkane and means cycloalkane followed by the suffix carbaldehyde. For example friend, here CHO. And here COHO means formyl functional group is attached to the cyclopentane. Due to this reason, the name of this compound is cyclopentane cinnamaldehyde. Always kept in mind that all the aromatic compounds are ring compound, but not all the ring compounds are aromatic compound. This is explained with the help of Haeckel rule. Okay, now friend, let's see their nomenclature. Now friend, before going towards the nomenclature, one thing kept in mind that in case of the aldehyde, the CHO group is always attached on the terminal carbon atom, means at the corner. Okay, let's see their nomenclature. Now friend, in case of the nomenclature, there are two systems. Number one is called as the common system, which is also referred as the trivial system, and second is called as the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is the IUPAC system. Let's see one by one. In case of the common system, generally friend, always kept in mind that is carboxylic acid are the oxidation product of aldehyde. Due to this reason, maximum aldehyde is obtained from the carboxylic acid by the replacement of ic acid and followed by the suffix aldehyde. For example friend, HCOH. This is obtained from the formic acid and hence the name is formaldehyde. Similarly friend, H3CCOH. It is obtained from the acetic acid. Due to this reason, it is called as the acetaldehyde. Similarly, friend, there is a presence of butyric acid from which we get butyraldehyde. Okay. Now, friend, similarly, if the position of carbon chain is long, then we should write the Greek letters, that is alpha, beta, delta, gamma. The alpha carbon atom are those carbon atom which is next to the carbon of formyl compound. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इस कार्बन के बाद में अगर लॉन्ग चेन है तो जो कार्बन एटम है इसको अल्फा देंगे, इसके बाद वाले कार्बन को हम बीटा देंगे इन दिस वे. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड, लेट्स सी देयर IUPAC nomenclature. Now friend, in case of IUPAC nomenclature, alkane is considered as parent hydrocarbon. Therefore, all the name of organic compounds are obtained from parent alkane. Therefore, in IUPAC, we write alkane, and E of alkane is replaced by al, Al, and hence the name is alkane. E replaced by al means alkanal. Now friend, there are some rules, that is select longest CHO containing compound, and first of all write the name of alkane, and if there is a presence of CHO group, then E of alkane is replaced by al, that is the alkanal. Therefore, in case of HCOH, which is a formaldehyde, as there is a presence of one carbon atom, therefore the parent alkane is methane. But as there is a presence of COH group, due to this reason in IUPAC it is called as the methane. E replaced by al, that is methanol. Similarly, friend, in this compound, that is in acetaldehyde, there is a presence of two carbon atom and two carbon containing parent alkane is ethane. Therefore, we write the name ethane, but E is replaced by al, that is the ethanol. Similarly, propanol, etc. Okay, ये तो अभी हम लोगों ने देखे कॉमन इन IUPAC सिस्टम. But if there is a presence of a two aldehyde group, then compound, then we write the name dial. But always kept in mind E is written. For example, friend, let's इसका भी example हम लोग देख लेते हैं. H C O C CH3 H CH2 COH. Now friend, here COH two times formyl group is present, means there is a presence of two aldehydic functional group, and according to the IUPAC system, lowest number should be given to the branch. Therefore, carbon number 1, carbon number 2. As carbon number 2 contain methyl group, therefore we write 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, therefore butane. But as COH twice, therefore di. And for IUPAC system, COH is al, therefore Al. And hence the name of this compound is 2-methyl butane dial. Now friend, this is the intro related to the aldehyde. Now let's friend see कीटोन. अब इसके बाद में हम लोग जो टॉपिक देखने वाले हैं वो है कीटोन. ओके, now friend, in case of ketone, generally friend, ketone are the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol, aldehyde में था, aldehyde are the first oxidation product of primary alcohol, while ketone are the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol. And the general formula of ketone is R single bond C double bond O single bond R. And the functional group of ketone is single bond C double bond O single bond. And this functional group is called as the oxo or keto functional group. इसे ही oxo या फिर keto functional group कहा जाता है. Now friend, after their definition, let's see their classification. अब हम लोग उसका classification देखेंगे. Now friend, in case of the classification. Now friend, in case of ketone, it is broadly classified into two types. Number one is the aliphatic ketone and second is the aromatic ketone. Let's see one by one. Aliphatic ketone. Now friend, further the aliphatic ketone are classified into two types. Number one is the simple ketone and second is called as the mix ketone. Now friend, नाम में ही इसके मतलब छिपा है कि simple ketone are those ketone on which both the alkyl group are of same type. For example friend, example मैं ऊपर लिख रहा हूँ H3C single bond C double bond O single bond CH3. Now friend, this is called as the simple ketone. Name of these compound is as 2 times CH3, therefore dimethyl CO group means ketone. Similarly friend, if there is a presence of ethyl CO, ethyl means C2H5 CO, C2H5, then the name is diethyl ketone. This is also the example of simple ketone. Now let's see what is meant by mixed ketone. नाम में ही मतलब छुपा है that in mixed ketone on either side of CO group means C, there is a presence of different type of alkyl group. For example friend, C2H5 CO CH3. Now friend, in case of these, on one side of carbon there is a presence of ethyl group, on another side there is a presence of CH3 group, and hence it is called as the ethyl methyl ketone according to the alphabetical order. E come first, then M, therefore ethyl methyl ketone. This is the best example of mixed ketone. Now friend, let's see aromatic कीटोन. अब हम लोग चलते हैं एरोमेटिक कीटोन की ओर. ओके, इसके पहले मैं इसे रख करता हूं. नाउ फ्रेंड, मिक्स कीटोन, यस, एरोमेटिक कीटोन. Now friend, in case of aromatic ketone, the CO group is attached to the benzene ring. For example friend, CO as there is a presence of a 2-phenyl group, due to this reason it is called as the diphenyl ketone, and the name of this compound is benzophenone. इसी का नाम है benzophenone, and it is also called as the diphenyl ketone. Now friend, let's see second example. एक और एग्जाम्पल हम लोग लिखते हैं. Benzene ring, CO group and presence of CH3 group. It is called as the methyl phenyl ketone. The another name of this compound is the acetophenone. known. This called as the methyl phenyl ketone or acetophenone. Okay. Now friend, in case of these are the just classification of ketone. अब हम लोग चलते हैं लास्ट टॉपिक की ओर, that is the nomenclature of ketone. Okay. Now friend, nomenclature. Now friend, in case of ketone, here also there are two type of nomenclature. Number one is the common system and second is called as the IUPAC system. The common name is also referred as the trivial system. Common name or trivial system. Now friend, in case of the common name, first we write the name of both alkyl group followed by the suffix ketone. For example friend, H3C CO CH3, as there is a presence of 2 times a methyl group, therefore it is called as the dimethyl ketone. The another name of these dimethyl ketone is called as the acetone. It is well known by acetone. Dimethyl ketone का ही दूसरा नाम है acetone. H5C2 CO C2 H5, it is called as the diethyl ketone. Is dimethyl ketone and this is the diethyl ketone. Means first we write the name of both the alkyl group followed by the suffix ketone. Now friend, let's see their IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Now friend, as we know that थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैंने कहा था, the alkane is considered as parent alkane. Therefore, here also first we write the name of alkane, and if there is a presence of ketonic functional group, then E is replaced by ONE, means alkane replaced by ONE, that is the alkanone. Due to this reason friend, the dimethyl ketone, as there is a presence of 3 carbon atom, therefore name of parent alkane is propane, and as there is a presence of CO group, due to this reason E replaced by ONE, hence the name of this compound in square bracket we write IUPAC system, that is the propane, E replaced by ONE, propanone. Similarly friend, in case of these, actually हम लोग इसको नंबरिंग देंगे, ठीक है ना. IUPAC सिस्टम में नंबरिंग भी दी जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू these. First we write number 1, number 2 and number 3, then number 4 carbon and number 5 carbon, as CO group is present on carbon number 3rd. Due to this reason name of this compound is pentane 3ONE, pentane 3ONE. Similarly friend, if there is a presence of 2 CO group, then we write the name di1. For example friend, H3C CO CH3, the name of this compound is butane 2,3-dione, which is utilized for the preparation of पॉपकॉर्न. इस तरह से हम लोगों ने ये दोनों टॉपिक कंप्लीट करें. आप लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन और क्वेरीज हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोग बताइए, और इस वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी से मैं इसका आगे वाले पार्ट लेके आऊँगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.